to make this smoothie we need 1 lemon, 1 avocado, 1 pear, and about a cup of watermelon. So we're gonna be making 2 different blends that we are gonna end up mixing together at the end. So the first blend will include the pear, avocado, and lemon. And since the pear is very ripe and it's sweet, we're not gonna add any sugar, but if you like sweet, you can add a little bit of sugar. But I like to avoid sugar as much as I can in my smoothie, so I'm just gonna go with no sugar. Once you get everything peeled and sliced, squeeze the lemon into the blender cup and add the pear and avocado. Don't worry too much about the portion of the ingredients. I just like to keep it very simple. I'm just gonna do a third of avocado, a third of pear, and a third of watermelon with the 1 lemon included. Once you get everything in there, it's time to give it a quick blend. Once it's smooth and consistent, you can check for the thickness. If you think it's too thick, you can add a little bit of water. And grab a big glass and then pour it to about 2/3 of the size, because we want to leave the last third for the watermelon. And now it's time to make our second blend, which is the watermelon. You want to take about a cup of watermelon and throw it in the blender. And then go ahead and give it a quick blend, and then fill up the rest of the cup. It is now time to grab a nice long spoon and enjoy a delicious avocado, watermelon, and pear smoothie. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to like and subscribe.